Hello, my dear students. Have a great day to all of you. Myself, Mrs. Kavita Kanade from LVH College, Panchwati, Nasik, and this is our OCM's lecture. In last lectures, we already completed our two chapters of this subject. In this lecture, we will start new chapter, that is entrepreneurship development. In this chapter, we learn about the history, then the definition, then characteristics of an entrepreneur, then the qualities of entrepreneur, then the functions of an entrepreneur, then the entrepreneurship development, and the different programs related to the entrepreneurship development. In this lecture, we will start from the definition or the concept from where the word entrepreneur come from. The word entrepreneur come from the French word that is entreprendre. It means to undertake. An entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to take the risk in order to make money. That means the entrepreneur is a person who is the owner, who is the producer, then he is a market creator, then he is a decision taker and risk takers. Entrepreneurs are referred to the fourth factor of production along with the other factors such as labor, land, and capital. That means it is the fourth factor of production. They generate employment opportunities, so they are the backbone of the nation's economic progress. That means they are the job givers and not the job takers. They are the job givers. That's why it is so much important to learn this chapter from the point of view of the future needs, because now our India, always our Prime Minister says that Atmanirbhar bano. That means, in short, to become an entrepreneur. That means you give the job to other people. That means start new business, innovate something new and new concepts. That's why um, that's why from 2016, Startup India, Stand Up India, such type of programs that gives the promotion to the entrepreneurship development conducted by our government, because that is the need of this generation or the need of today, that to generate more and more job opportunities. That's why it is important to learn this chapter, entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurship development, this word comes from the French word that means to undertake. An entrepreneurship is a person who starts a business and is willing to take the risk in order to make money. That means he is an innovator, he is a job giver. That's why it is important factor from the point of view of the national economy or economic progress. They play a very important role in the development of any country. Then we will learn the definitions. The first definition from the Webster Dictionary: an entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to risk loss in order to make money. That is called as an entrepreneur. In simple words, it is mentioned that an entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and is willing to take the risk in order to make money. Then the second definition is given by the Oxford English Dictionary, that is, an entrepreneur is a person who organizes and operates a business or businesses taking an greater than normal financial risk in order to do so. Then the third definition, that is, entrepreneurship means willingness of an individual to start a new business venture by taking risk and global environment. That means the risk factor is important in every business, and who take the risk to start the new business or to start any new product, that is called as an entrepreneur. Now we will learn about the characteristics of an entrepreneur. There are the 8 characteristics of an entrepreneur. That is, first is intellectual capabilities. Intellectual capabilities. An entrepreneur is a creative thinker. An entrepreneur is a creative thinker. Therefore, they come up with the innovative ideas. They build and grow the entire enterprise on the basis of creative ideas. He has ability to analyze business situations. This ability will help him to take proper decisions. That means an entrepreneur has a good intelligence, he is a creative thinker, he is an innovator, and that's why he is come with the new ideas and launches new products in the market and take the risk. That's why it is a characteristic of an entrepreneur, that is intellectual capabilities. These are the capabilities. That means a creative thinker, good intelligence capacity, is an innovator. These are the capabilities of the entrepreneur to start any business, to create entire new business. This is important characteristic. Then the second characteristic is future vision. Good good foresight about future market situations. That is, the entrepreneurs has an interest, has an inherent foresight about future market situation. He should also have knowledge about the external business environment. This will help him to take proper decisions according to the changing business situations. They are better prepared and can take timely decisions. This is important factor, that to take the time to time decisions according to the future needs. That's why it is the main characteristics of an entrepreneur to have the future vision, good foresight about future market situation, knowledge about external business environment, will help to take proper decisions and take timely actions. Then the third characteristic is hard work. An entrepreneur is ready to work hard. Work hard. It is more necessary when a new business is started. He has to work hard for a long time. Many times he has to handle many areas of business independently. This quality make him successful in overall business. An entrepreneur is ready to hard work. Then the fourth characteristic is technical knowledge. An entrepreneur has good technical knowledge about his business. The entrepreneur has the ability to update himself with the latest knowledge, latest technology about the products, process, and new upcomings of the market. Knowledge about the product process and technology. This is the technical knowledge. This is the technical knowledge, and it is the characteristic of an entrepreneur. That means an entrepreneur is a businessman who have the new ideas, innovative ideas in mind, and he create these ideas in reality. That means he have the ideas in his mind, and with the help of technical knowledge he innovate that products, he bring that products in the market to and take the risk. That's why it is the quality, it is the characteristics of an entrepreneur. Then the fifth characteristic is technical knowledge. Fifth characteristic is communication skill. Okay, he must be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively. That means an entrepreneur needs to communicate with different people like customers, suppliers, creditors, employees, etc. He must be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively and efficiently. He have that quality, that means he have the good communication skill, He must be able to express his ideas and strategies effectively to these parties. His communication has to be clear, polite, and he should have ability to develop good relations with all these. That means with the customers, with the suppliers, with the creditors, with his own employees. He has to maintain the good communication skill with all these people. It is necessary that there is a proper understanding between sender and receiver of the message. That is the effective communication skill. This is one of the characteristic of an entrepreneur. Then the sixth characteristic is highly optimistic. Highly optimistic. He always think positively. Entrepreneur have the great amount of self confidence, hopeful and confident. That means he is the person who is full of hope and confidence. That's why he is called as an entrepreneur. He is an innovator. That's why he has the always think positively, hopeful and confident. Entrepreneur has a great amount of self-confidence which enables them to establish and lead their organization. They are also highly optimistic and positive about all the things about the market situation. An entrepreneur has to always think positively. He always hopeful and confident about the market situation because the market situations are always changing. The habits of customers, fashions are always changing, and he has to face the risk. He has to face that changing situation confidently. Even in failure times, such positive attitude helps him to achieve success in business. That's why it is the one of the most important characteristic of an entrepreneur. Then the seventh is risk bearing capacity. Risk bearing capacity, that means he is always ready to face challenges. He seeks new and more opportunities in the market. Every entrepreneur or every enterprise, every business involves certain risk. An entrepreneur takes calculated risk while running his enterprise or business. He is ready to face challenges and always seek new and more opportunities. That means from every situation he find out more opportunities or different opportunities, how to handle the situation. He has the knowledge of that. That's why he has the risk bearing capacity. Then the eighth characteristic is self confidence. Self confidence. An entrepreneur has self confidence, strong and confident to face various obstacles. Obstacles means the difficulties related to the market. That's why he has the self confidence. That means an entrepreneur has self confidence. He has the positive desire to achieve his goals. Such self confidence keep him strong and ready to face any challenge in business world. That's why it is so much important to have the self confidence in the entrepreneur. These all are the characteristics of an entrepreneur. These are the eight characteristics. First is intellectual capabilities. Then second is he has the future vision. Then third, hard work. Hard work is necessary in every field. That's why to establish a new business, to continue that business, to launch new products, to launch new schemes, it is most important to have the hard work. Then the technical knowledge is also important because in the changing world, in the changing economy, according to the fashions, according to the culture, according to the new techniques, the entrepreneur must have the capability to change with the technology. That's why he have the technical knowledge. Then, fifth characteristic we saw that is communication skill, that he has the good communication skill with all the outsiders, insiders of the business. Then the sixth is highly optimistic. That means Optimistic, that means he always think positive about and he is hopeful and confident about every situation, or he is always ready to face the situation, changing circumstances in the business, and he is hopeful for his product. That's why he is a highly optimistic. Then seventh, risk bearing capacity. Entrepreneurship is equal to risk bearing factor. In every business there is a risk there. That's why he is always ready to face the challenges and seek new and more opportunities from their changing situation, or from the difficulties he find out the new opportunities. Then the eighth characteristic is self confidence. He have the self confidence. An entrepreneur has a self confidence and strong and confident to face various obstacles. That's why he is ready, and this self confidence keep him strong and ready to face any challenge in business world. And this is the most important factor. We also um, we also have this quality, self confidence. If you have the self confidence in yourself, no, I will do this study and I will write down all the notes given by the teacher, and I attend all the lectures carefully, listen all the lectures carefully, and I do the assignments carefully. Then you have then you automatically have that confidence. You automatically get that confidence when you do the proper study, when you do the proper hard work. Then automatically you get this self confidence about yourself, that no, I understand all the lecture, and I'm able to give any exam now, because this is the situation to have the confidence, self confidence between all of us. Because in this lockdown situation, everywhere we saw the news, we read in the newspaper, we saw on the TV. Everyone is depressed, and everywhere there is a atmosphere, like a depressed atmosphere. That's why this is the best quality, I think, to have the self confidence in all the students, all the people, that to do the more hard work about the studies, learn more, read good books that gives you inspiration. And when you read these books of good people, leaders, then you get automatically the self confidence, and that is so much important in everybody's life, not only this entrepreneur life, but also in our lives also. This is the most important characteristic, that is the self confidence. Thank you for watching me or listening me carefully, and goodbye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.